Hello and welcome to GMAX Studios. In this video, we are going to be talking about ND filters. What is an ND filter and how can you use it to improve your photography? The ND filter is a piece of darkened glass that you put in front of your lens, thereby reducing the amount of light that enters into the camera. This increases your control over the aperture and the shutter speed, especially in broad daylight. A lot of people use ND filters to cut down the light so much that they can use long exposures during daylight to get photographs like these. ND filters are available in varying strengths, and you can choose and pick whether you want a darker ND filter or a lighter one according to your specific needs. But there is one filter which is called the variable ND filter, which is just a single filter and it changes its density or darkness as you turn the ring. So if you turn the ring in one direction, it becomes dark, and if you turn it in the other direction, it becomes light. Though ND filters are not used indoors, but we are going to do this anyway, just for demonstration. Now the earlier properly exposed photograph looks underexposed after putting the ND filter, and we have to open the aperture to bring back the correct value. As we turn the filter more, it gets darker and darker. Usually, variable ND filters cut down anything from 6 stops to 10 stops of light. To know more about filters, watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care.